Hello everyone, in this video I want to teach you how to sew this beautiful dress. So stay with me until the end of video and I will teach you the complete tutorial of this dress. In the first step, we have to stick the adhesive layer to the lower part of the upper body. Then we'll steal the seam under the chest and place the spring in it, as you can see in the video. And cut the extra. Then we iron the seams. In the next step, we need to sew the strip we made for bottom to this part. And then iron it. After that, we sew the bottom seams of the chest with sewing grade 5 and shear it. As you can see in the video, we shear it like this. Then we sew these two parts together. Make sure it is equal and then sew it. Then we cut between the seams so that it looks better and seams fold well. Then we fold the seams as you can see in the video and sew on it. Sew only on the bottom seams. As you can see in the video, when you connect both parts, then overlock it and then iron it. In the next step, we have to sew the hems to the back and front. Sew the collar seams according to the video method. and cut the seams for the better showing. After that, iron the collar like this. Sew the back hems like video. When you sew the back hems, cut the extra fabric and ready for the next step. In the next step, you need to close the doors on the back of upper body. Then, according to the video method, connect the shoulders to each other. You have to open the hem and the dress and put the back and front together and fold the shoulders to one side and sew on it. After that, you should cut the extra fabric inside the seams so that it does not stand out. Then you need to connect the sleeves. Then you need to close the darts of the back and front of the skirt. And then iron it for look better. And connect the skirt to the upper body. Then overlook the seams of the skirt and upper body and iron it. After that, connect the side seam of the sleeve and the top and skirt together. And overlook it like this. Now we have to shear the bottom part of the skirt and then connect the second part of the skirt to the first skirt. Now you can see the seams of the first and the second skirt. We have to overlock it and iron it. After that, we have to prepare the rest of the sleeve, and according to the video method, we sew the wrist and connect it to the elastic. When the wrist prepared, we connect to the sleeve. Now it's ready and relocated like other part. In the second step, we need to sew the seam in the middle of the back to the bottom of the skirt. But not that, we must leave the seams open at the top of the back of the body to sew the zipper. Now your dress is ready, and after that we have to sew the zipper to the back. And finally, now you need to sew the hidden zipper on the back. And you should to change the pressure foot. And finally, it's ready for wear. Please subscribe me, like me, and share my video for support me. Thank you everybody. I love you all.